All right, so this is the project that we're going to be focused on. It's more so of just sending packages. It's focused over efficient shipping from our door to our hands. All right, we're going to go through and try and figure out what's the most efficient way to send a package. The learning intention for this states that I will learn how to calculate the cheapest and most cost-efficient method of mailing a package. And then through that, we want to be able to correctly calculate the volume of a package, calculate the lowest price to mail a package, and then differentiate between the different shapes and volumes, all right? You'll go through and each of you will have a slide, all right? So not a slide, a whole document. And you could go through and read to figure out what um, the instructions are. So first of all, it says that you're an employee of the Eagles Great Gifts Inc. company, which is kind of similar to Amazon. Basically the same thing. It just named it differently. All right. Your task is to get orders into the customer's hands as fast as possible. If someone's gonna make an order, and you have to get it to them as fast as possible, the cheapest way possible, with no damage. You are one of many employees hoping to get promoted. So with this, if you do this the right way, maybe you get promoted. More money. Anyways, the management of Eagle Great Gifts has decided to award the promotion to one employee who can find a way to ship odd-shaped gifts to customers in smallest possible packaging and the cheapest shipping costs possible. You'll go through, and these are some of the things that you'll need to find out before you start the packaging. The area and the volume of whatever shape we're doing, the size of the box you will need to mail it. So you'll need the length, width, and height, but then also figure out how much filling you will need to ensure that the fragile gifts arrives with no damage. And filling is $2 per square foot. So in order to, when we talk about filling, we talk about styrofoam or like popcorn or whatever people put in packages so that it doesn't get damage. That's $2 per square foot. These are the different shapes, and I put in some measurements, all right, and where the packages are going, all right. So we have this cone, that's the measurement, where it's going. Keep in mind, you're also gonna have to consider the area and the volume when you're sending these packages. And then I went in, put in some formulas for you so that you have those to go back to and reference. On this slide, you will see how much it is to ship packages, okay? You go through and say, oh, it's this much to ship it. Again, you're trying to ship the smallest, the best packaging for the smallest or the cheapest price. If you want to check some more prices, like the calculator for shipping, you can click this link. It will take you there. Then you'll go through, you'll fill out this table. All right, you'll put the object in, you'll put the volume of the object, the size of the object, and then the price for which it is to ship each of these objects with the different companies. You'll go through and answer these questions. All right. And then to finish up, we're going to talk about some reflective questions. What was the easiest part of this project? What part of the project was the most difficult for you? And then also, what is one new thing you learned? And then these are some standards. You don't generally have to touch this page, but these are some standards that we're focusing on for this project.